Armenia is a beautiful country with a rich and cultured history. Acknowledged as one of the cradles of civilization, Armenia is noteworthy for Mount Ararat, which biblical tradition identifies as the mountain that Noah's Ark rested on after the flood. Yet, Armenia is also a tragic country, enduring a long and tumultuous history, marked by war, Soviet rule, and a massive earthquake in 1988 that exacted the lives of more than 50,000 people. And today, with just over 3 million people, this tiny nation is shrouded in a veil of unemployment, poverty, and a lack of affordable, high-quality medical care. In fact, a catastrophic public health crisis now exists in Armenia, with blindness and other ophthalmic diseases such as glaucoma adding to this emergency.
Maybe glaucoma being one of the leading problems, leading cause of unreversible blindness all over the world. Still very big problem in Armenia especially, because the patients are not coming to see doctors on time, losing their visual acuity, which is never recovering after if we already lost it. And in Armenia, mostly because of a little bit lower level of light, patients cannot afford the medications also to take that, cannot afford even to come doctors.
You know that in Armenia it's a big problem, glaucoma. We have a lot of people need medicine, glaucoma medicine. We can't help them because of financial sometimes, because of they very often come to the hospital with second stage of glaucoma and sometimes and terminal glaucoma, absolutely glaucoma.
Because of this serious problem, many ophthalmologists such as Roger Owenessian and Rick Hill of the Armenian Eye Care Project, as well as other American ophthalmologists, have volunteered their time and surgical talents to bringing hope and the gift of sight to a people in need. Recently, Doctors Eric Donenfeld and Kerry Solomon teamed up with Glaukos Corporation to bring much-needed glaucoma therapy to the Armenian people.
You know, it's been a pleasure to have the opportunity to come to Armenia and to visit with many of the local people and the local doctors and the local hospital. I've been incredibly impressed by the graciousness of the people here.
Sometimes they are coming to doctors, doctor prescribes them the medication, but the condition, the disease does not stabilize, does not stop. So we need every time to do something more.
Doctors Eric Donenfeld, Kerry Solomon, and Glaukos specialists teamed up with Yerevan, Armenia ophthalmologist Lilit Voskanyan and her staff to provide 3 generations of minimally invasive iStent technology for glaucoma patients who may have otherwise gone untreated.
We came here with expectations that we were going to be doing surgery and helping patients, and we left with a greater feeling that we had actually condensed the essence of being a physician, and that was to help people who needed our help and people who appreciated what we did for them.
Performing surgery for 3 full days, these surgeons were able to provide Armenian patients with a permanent and much-needed glaucoma therapy that reduced their dependence on medications. As an added benefit, Dr. Donenfeld and Dr. Solomon were able to share their clinical and surgical knowledge with the Armenian ophthalmologists.
We had only 3 days relationship with doctors, Eric and Kerry, but I'm very excited. I'm very thankful for them. I asked them to see a couple of patients also, which was very helpful. And also during the surgeries we were doing, they told me a couple of points which I'll use in my practice, not only for glaucoma stents, but also for the other interventions also.
And also really impressed with the skills of the local surgeons and the care that they provide to their patients.
Sharing skills and our knowledge with doctors who are coming there, and also they explain us some another points to do is very helpful. And as always, there are no doctors who can do anything alone.
And I have to say the physicians that are here at the eye clinic are among the most extraordinary, dedicated doctors I have ever met.
These are wonderful people as a person. These are wonderful doctors as a specialist, and they are very good doctors as in a relationship with patients. very attentive, very gentle, very kind. Also, this humanistic act for our patients makes them very thankful to Glaukos personally. When a patient stops taking medication with such a very safe intervention, they are very happy. As the first, I would like to thank you, this company. There are a couple of reasons I would like to note. First, not everybody can afford the medication which he is taking, and maybe more of them cannot afford the intervention because of the prices for everything. And also because of very good results from this procedure and for very kindness of people who are coming here.
Witnessing the joy and gratitude of patients who otherwise had very little hope of managing their glaucoma was simply an overwhelming experience.
Thank you to all again. I want to say thank you very much that you help our people.
Smith is wine for us. Very good.
It's a small country, and we have very small amount of doctors here, especially glaucoma specialists or people who are doing the other surgeries. So every time the relationship with these kind of very knowledgeable people is very helpful for me personally, for our hospital, and for our patients.
I'll come away having been equally touched by the humility, honesty, integrity, and loveliness of the Armenian people.
It's really been an honor for me to have had an opportunity to participate, to learn, and to be a part of all of this.
It was an experience that I will always remember and I will treasure because they gave more back to us than we could have possibly given to them.
And a big thanks for allowing me to be able to help people and touch people in ways I never before imagined.